Hey there! Today we're diving into a common coding problem that many Haskell developers may encounter. The issue at hand revolves around replacing numbers in a string with twice their value using Haskell's Text.RE.TDFA package. Sounds like a tricky problem to tackle, right? Now let's talk about the solution that was provided. The key lies in understanding how the functor works within the TDFA backend. The given code snippet showcases the structure of the search-replace data type and how the functor instance is implemented. By mapping a function over the template, we can manipulate the replacement process as needed. Building on the solution, let's explore a bit deeper into the functionality of the code snippet provided. By observing the output when applying the function over the template, we can see how the value to parse is actually the template itself. This crucial insight sheds light on why the initial parsing attempt failed and provides a clear direction for further adjustments in implementation. In summary, we've unraveled the mystery behind the parsing error and discovered the nuances of working with templates in the TDFA backend. By grasping the intricacies of functor manipulation and template handling, we can enhance our approach to replacing numbers and strings efficiently. So, next time you encounter a similar challenge, remember to consider the template structure and functor application for a smoother coding experience. Happy coding, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Let's keep the programming conversation going.